Is it finally time to say goodbye? 21 signs your dog may be dying and how to help? One of the most difficult things a pet owner has to do is to say goodbye to their dog. Of course, we all want to spend as much time as we can with our beloved dogs, and it can be difficult to know when to say goodbye. But because we care about them, we also don't want our old or sick dogs to suffer. This is where you may step in. By evaluating your dog's quality of life, you can decide when it is time to say goodbye, and how best to console them in their last moments. By evaluating your dog's quality of life, you can tell when they are sick and how you can help them. As a result, many people will make an effort to conceal their illness. Because revealing signs of disease or injury in the environment makes an animal a target for predators, many dogs will naturally try to hide their discomfort or try to hide their symptoms of illness. Here are 21 signs your dog may be dying. Number 1. Discomfort and pain at the end of a dog's life. Pain and discomfort are frequent signs, but how can you determine whether your dog is experiencing them? Some dogs may sleep more than usual or look for new locations to rest when they're uncomfortable, and they could subsequently be hesitant to leave those places once they found them, or else your dog can find it difficult to relax and take a nap. If your dog is in pain, it might hide or show signs of reluctance to associate with the family. Your dog might appear to be panting or shaking more than usual. Other symptoms of pain include irritation, restlessness, and hostility. Number 2. Appetite loss in their final days. Dogs frequently lose their appetite, especially if they are feeling sick or in pain. Your dog's appetite loss could occasionally be accompanied by additional gastrointestinal issues, including vomiting and diarrhea. If you want to start your dog on appetite stimulants to help get them hungry, talk to your veterinarian about whether it makes sense. You might also try luring them with helpful and delicious items that you don't typically offer. Number 3. Getting thinner. Your dog may appear to be losing weight quickly. As you may have noticed, this can happen if they don't eat or if certain medical disorders cause alterations in their metabolism. Additionally, if your dog is in pain, they are less likely to desire to eat, which leads to weight loss. Discuss with your vet whether putting your dog on a special diet to promote weight gain makes it reasonable. Additionally, you could lure them with foods they enjoy. Number 4. Vomiting. Dogs frequently vomit when they are ill, but this can be alarming if the dog has a serious illness like cancer or is extremely elderly. Vomiting can indicate that a dog is very close to passing away. When combined with the other symptoms mentioned ahead, vomiting may indicate that a dog's digestive system is functioning regularly or that it is malfunctioning. Vomiting might result in dehydration. Try to give your dog water by providing it frequently or by dropping water or low-sodium soup into their mouth with a turkey baster. Number 5. Diarrhea. Every dog gets diarrhea once in a while. Diarrhea is frequently a sign of an infection or disease that your veterinarian can cure, similar to when a dog vomits. However, if you're sick or aged, dog also exhibits other symptoms like severe diarrhea. It may indicate that the digestive system isn't functioning properly. If your dog is having accidents, you may help by being understanding and patient. Water or broth should be used to keep your dog hydrated. If your dog is in discomfort or not mobile enough to go outside, you can also put them in diapers or put them on a waterproof bed pad. Number 6. Incontinence at the end of their lives. Some dogs lose control of their bladder and bowels and become incontinent. Others might require more assistance from their owners or family members to stay clean since they can't get up to relieve themselves outside. Your dog should sleep on a waterproof pet. That in a clean, dry environment. You might think about having your dog wear a diaper if necessary. Number 7. Body odor. Things may begin to smell when an animal's body stops operating normally. Kidney disease, altered metabolism, oil buildup in the fur, incontinence, dental problems, or poor grooming are all potential causes of this. Near the end of its life, your dog could start to smell differently or more strongly than usual. is going on around them. Number 11. Laziness. Does your dog slumber in isolated areas or spend a lot of time by himself? It may be an indication of deteriorating health. If they lack the vigor to go for walks, appear generally listless, or just don't act like themselves, don't force your dog to be active. Instead, let them rest. Instead, provide them with a quiet, spotless, secure space to unwind in order to make them more comfortable. Number 12. Depression. Depression, exhaustion, and lack of interest are signs that your dog may be depressed. Your dog may appear to be sleeping more than normal or show no interest in the games, toys, or people that they used to like. As a dog loses movement or feels discomfort toward the end of its life, depression is a typical sign. Depending on the symptoms the dog exhibits, your veterinarian may advise antidepressants. Number 13. Anxiety. Similar to humans, dogs can become anxious when they don't comprehend what is happening to them or to their bodies. This is particularly valid if your dog is suffering, so you see your dog pacing, whimpering, whining, or panting. It could be an anxiety symptom for a dog. Worry can occasionally be greater than pain. To make your dog feel more at ease and calmer, ask your veterinarian about anti-anxiety medicine. Number 14. Poor grooming. Your dog,